Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox a FM and DAB Plus radio that has a battery and can be charged through USB, solar, penlight batteries and a hand crank. Now because it has DAB Plus, it's a bit more expensive than the ones that only do FM, but it was around 35-40 euros on AliExpress. So let's see. Almost there. So it says Prunus J-924 portable radio. So a USB-A to USB-C cable, a manual, and it even has a compass. And this is the solar panel. Oh, and it has lights, antenna,
FM mode.
So let's see. I can even put in a micro SD card. So this looks like a headphone jack. Oh, can also use it as a flashlight. Oh, and you can also plug in a USB stick to play music. Okay. Oh, yep. The hand crank. And this is where you can put in, looks like 3 batteries. So I guess that's AAA. Yep. so let's see. Bluetooth. SD. FM. DAB. It says it's playing, but I don't hear anything. Oh, no signal. I think it's trying to find some radio stations that are not available here. Looks like it's configured for Norway. So I'm going to pause the video for a moment and see if I can program the DAB channels. So hope to see you after the break. Well, when you have it in DAB plus mode, then just keep the scan button pressed for like 2 or 3 seconds, and then it will start scanning. And after a while, you can just flip through the radio stations with the tune buttons. So we even have a BBC radio channel in the Netherlands, the World Service. So yeah, I'm turning the volume down to avoid any copyright issues. Yeah, I'm really happy that DAB Plus is working, and I think this is a interesting device for people that go camping or want to have some music when they don't have good access to electricity. And yeah, especially with the hand crank, then it's always possible to charge it. So this is all for now, and hope to see you again in my next video.